Imagine cruising through your neighborhood in a sleek, affordable pickup, compact, stylish, and practical. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the bad news. Small trucks, once the backbone of utility and affordability, are now an endangered species. Why did they vanish, and could they ever make a comeback? Stick around, because we're uncovering the truth behind the death of the small pickup and why you might be the key to bringing them back. Quick question. What's your dream pickup? A classic Ford Ranger, a Chevy S10, or maybe something futuristic like the Ford Maverick? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and don't forget to hit like if you think small trucks deserve a revival. They might just hear us. Now let's rewind the clock to a time when small trucks ruled the streets. In the 70s and 80s, compact pickups like the Toyota Hilux, Datsun 620, and Chevy S10 weren't just affordable. They were cool. They had charm, they had practicality, and they didn't need to take up 2 parking spaces. Small trucks were the ultimate utility vehicles for suburbanites, DIYers, and anyone who loved a reliable ride. But then, something strange happened. Fast forward to today, and most so-called small trucks aren't small anymore. They're bulky, expensive, and packed with features you probably don't need. So, what changed before it? Let's dive into the 3 main reasons behind this shift. First, let's talk about the rise of bigger trucks. Back in the day, trucks were designed to haul stuff, not impress your neighbors. But by the 2000s, something shifted. Trucks became status symbols. Suddenly, everyone wanted a truck that looked tough, drove like a sedan, and came with heated seats. Enter the luxury pickup craze. Manufacturers realized they could sell these bigger trucks at a premium, and consumers were all in. Forget compact, bigger was better. Quick question for you. Would you prefer a basic, functional truck or a luxury beast with all the bells and whistles? Drop your answer below. Now, here's where things get tricky. Let's talk about the EPA. Yes, the Environmental Protection Agency. In their effort to push for more fuel-efficient vehicles, they introduced standards that unintentionally killed small trucks. How Grohwang? By making it easier for larger trucks to meet fuel economy requirements than smaller ones. It's like rewarding elephants for being big while penalizing the cheetahs for being agile. And this is why modern small trucks like the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz aren't really small. They're bloated versions of their ancestors. Want proof? Compare a 1990s Ford Ranger to a new Maverick. It's like David versus Goliath, but Goliath ate David. Lastly, let's talk about the economics of profit. Let's face it, car manufacturers are in it for the money. Producing a bigger truck costs about the same as a smaller one, but they can sell the big one for way more. Add in higher trims, luxury features, and all that jazz, and boom, profit margins through the roof. Why bother making small, affordable pickups when giant luxury trucks sell like hotcakes? Okay, so that's the bad news. But is there any hope for small trucks to make a comeback? Believe it or not, there might be a silver lining. Let's talk electric vehicles. Electric pickups are breaking the mold. With EVs, manufacturers can sidestep some of those pesky EPA standards. Imagine a compact electric pickup that's affordable, stylish, and packed with tech. It could happen, and the Ford Maverick Hybrid might just be the first step. But here's the catch. EVs aren't cheap to produce, and not everyone is ready to trade gas for electricity. So will we ever see a true revival of the classic small truck Krumminger? That's up to us, consumers. If enough people demand smaller, affordable trucks, manufacturers might finally listen. Picture this. The next big hit in Hollywood isn't a superhero movie, it's the return of the small truck. Starring the Ford Courier, Chevy S10, and Toyota Hilux as the underdogs fighting against the monstrous SUVs of today. I'd buy a ticket. Would you buy? So what do you think? Are small trucks a relic of the past, or can they rise again? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you've ever owned a small truck, tell us your best memory. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, because trust me, we've got more stories about cars, trucks, and everything in between that you won't want to miss. See you next time.